Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am here to make you confident. My goal is to help you realize who you are and what you can achieve. Let's start with our today's story. A story of dream and destiny. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Mira. She had big dreams but lived in a world where everyone spoke in their local language. Mira often heard stories of far-off places, beautiful cultures, and exciting adventures. But there was one problem: she couldn't understand the foreign languages in the books and movies she loved so much. One day, a wise old teacher named Mr. Raj came to the village. He noticed Mira's curiosity and asked, "Why don't you join my English class?" Mira was hesitant at first. She thought English was too difficult and that people like her wouldn't succeed in learning it. But Mr. Raj told her, English is not just a language. It's the key to a world full of opportunities. You can talk to people from all over the world, learn new things, and follow your dreams. Inspired by his words, Mira decided to give it a try. She started attending Mr. Raj's class every day. At first, it was hard, and she made many mistakes. But she didn't give up. Slowly, she began to understand and speak more confidently. A few months later, Mira applied for a scholarship to study in an international university. Thanks to her hard work and her English skills, she was accepted. She traveled to a new country, met new people, and started exploring the world she had always dreamed of. Mira's story teaches us that no dream is too big, and no language is too hard to learn. When we take that first step, our destiny begins to unfold. Moral of the story: learning English opens doors to endless possibilities. Your dreams are just a word away. Every journey starts with one step, and that language is the bridge to a bigger world.